What's up guys, welcome back to another daily video here from 88 Rotors Off-Road. Today's video is going to be on two different Tacomas. But first I want to show you guys a little clip with the new lens that I purchased from Sandmark. This is the anamorphic lens, and we're going to show you a little bit of some of the wheels that we have on display in our showroom here at 88. Of the ones seen here, which one is your favorite? Drop a comment down below and let us know. Start off today's video with this MGM Toyota Tacoma. This is a 3rd gen model that we're going to be installing a spacer lift on, 3-inch front, 1.95-inch rear, to avoid any issues with the TSS system. We're also going to be installing a new set of TRD Pro wheels that are originally designed for the 4Runner TRD Pro in a 17x7 +4 offset, and we're wrapping that one up with a 285/70/17 tire. As the Tacoma goes on the lift, our techs start removing the wheels and tires. They start to remove the TPMS sensors so they can swap it over to the new wheels and tires. You can see our tech mounting the tire here. These are the Falken Wild Peak AT3Ws in a 285/70/17, which is usually considered as a 33-inch tire. And of course, these are a genuine set of TRD Pro wheels. We do not stock any replicas or sell any replica TRD Pro wheels here. Here you can see that the front strut spacer has already been installed. This is the most cost-effective option that we have to lift your Tacoma with new wheels and tires. If you're looking to get something like this done to your Tacoma, please either send us an email over to sales@88rotors.com, or feel free to just give us a call or show up during regular business hours. 88 Rotors is located in the city of South El Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're interested in getting some work done by us, feel free to either give us a call during regular business hours or shoot us an email over to sales@88rotors.com. All of our contact information can also be found in the description below. Of course, I have to get my cardio in, as you can see in the reflection on the truck here. This is the most cost-effective way to lift your truck to clear the 285/70/17s without any rubbing with the wheel specs given here. Next up, we have the cement gray Tacoma. This one's going with a Fox 2.5 IFP front setup with 2.0 remote reservoir setup in the back with a 1-inch block. This customer was specific and requested that we only adjusted the front coilovers to 2.5 inches of lift. We also installed a set of cambered tubular uniball upper control arms on here. The wheels and tires on this one, the customer brought in a set of method grids. These are the MR309s, 16x8 with a 0 offset and a matte black finish. We installed a set of 285/75/16 tires on them for him. Do you guys like what you guys see here? If you guys want to see more, please follow us on Instagram at instagram.com/88rotors offroad, or if you have the app, just search up at 88 Rotors Offroad. For the rear lift on this one, the customer brought in a 1-inch block with extended U-bolts. Tech is seen here trimming off the excess threading on the U-bolts. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them down below. We'll make sure to get back to every single one of them as soon as we can. And as a friendly reminder, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Make sure you also click on that notification bell. That way you get notified every single time we post a new daily video. We're now loading up all the factory suspension parts and wheels and tires. We're gonna take it out for a quick test drive before we hand the keys back over to the customer. And this is pretty much gonna wrap it up for today's Tacoma video. Thank you very much for tuning on in today and checking us out. Make sure you subscribe to our channel once again if you haven't already. Reminding you guys to turn on that notification bell also. That way you'll get notified tomorrow when we post our next daily video. And of course, until then, please have an amazing one, guys.